Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank y'all for stopping by. Today we're doing episode 15 of the Booze News, the news that you can use. I hope you enjoy this drink. Please remember to always drink responsibly. And if you can't drink responsibly, please drink with responsible people and have fun. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start off with our vodka here. I'm going to go about 2 ounces with it. All right, next up is our Bowls Creme de Noyer, whatever you pronounce that. I'm going to put just a splash of that in there just to give it just a little different flavor. And next up, we're going to finish it off, top it off with our Sprite. Now we're going to give this a good stir, make sure it's mixed together good. A little shake just to make sure. Now, time for that all-important taste test. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'll shoot you straight with this. I enjoyed this. Really got to watch the amount of that red liqueur that I put in there. That stuff's pretty powerful. They make different flavors of that, so, you know, I might try some different flavors down the road. This one definitely suits you. So, hope you enjoy it. Don't take my word for it. Here is this episode's celebrity judges to tell you what they think.
Howdy, beaches! Howdy, beaches!